Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this very easy stitch, especially for you guys, the beginners. It's very easy. I'm gonna use 4.5mm crochet hook. This stitch works with even numbers. We're gonna do a small sample, so I have here 12 chains. After you chain your even numbers of chains, we're gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet. And this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain. So you move to the next chain, single crochet, and so on. In each chain, single crochet. This stitch is very easy, goes really fast. You can do so many things with this. You can do a blanket, you can do a scarf, because the stitch is reversible. I'm gonna show you the sample after I show you the stitch. You can do a hat, so many things you can do. So in the last chain, single crochet also. We're gonna chain 2, turn your work, yarn over the hook, and into the next stitch we're gonna do a double crochet. So this row is gonna be double crochet in each stitch. So move to the next stitch, double crochet, next stitch, double crochet, and so on. You can use this stitch with variegated yarn. You can change colors if you like, every 2 rows or every 4 rows, depends how many rows you wanna, after how many rows you wanna change the colors. But I think variegated yarn will be just great. Okay, so double crochet in each stitch, and we have the last stitch at the end, double crochet. Okay, now we're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and this is just the base. This stitch has only 2 rows repeat, in which 1 row is single crochet in each stitch. So this row, so we did the first row single crochet, the second row we did double crochet, and now we're gonna do 1 more row of single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch is here, we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet, next stitch single crochet, and so on. In each stitch, single crochet. And after this row of single crochet we're gonna start with the stitch. This is a very dense stitch, depends on your yarn size. This is gonna be really dense, not much openings at all. So if you want to do a scarf, work with let's say a number or 2 numbers bigger the crochet hook than your yarn recommends for a scarf. So we have the last double crochet of the row, single crochet, and we have the chain 2, so we're gonna go on top of the second chain and we're gonna do a single crochet. Now chain 1, you're always gonna chain 1, turn your work, and now into the first stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook, we're gonna move to the double crochet here. So we're gonna do a front post double crochet. Now yarn over the hook, we're gonna move to the next stitch, which is the next double crochet. So we're gonna work a back post double crochet, so you're gonna go around that, the next double crochet, and then you're gonna pull the yarn and you're gonna do a double crochet. So this we're gonna alternate front post, back post, front post, back post. So the next stitch we're gonna go below 1 row and we're gonna do a front post double crochet around that double crochet. Next stitch we're gonna go to the next double crochet and we're gonna do a back post double crochet. So this is one of the rows, the 2 rows that we're gonna repeat. The next stitch, front post, and we're gonna do like this. So front post, back post into the next. Next is front post, and the next is back post, So you're gonna go behind that, and you're gonna do a back post double crochet. So now we have the last double crochet in here, so we're gonna do a front post double crochet, and into the last stitch of this row we're gonna do a single crochet. This is how you're gonna start and how you're gonna finish, with a single crochet into the first stitch and a single crochet into the last stitch. Chain one, turn your work, and now we're gonna repeat the row with a single crochet in each stitch. So the first stitch is here, single crochet, next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet, and so on. In each stitch we're gonna place a single crochet. This is quite thick and dense, the stitch. Like I said, if you want a scarf, use a number or two bigger the crochet hook than the yarn will suggest. So the next stitch single crochet, and the last stitch single crochet. Now you're gonna chain one, turn your work, and now we're gonna repeat the row with the front post, back post, double crochets. So the first stitch is here, single crochet. So you're gonna start with a single crochet into the first stitch, and you're gonna finish with a single crochet into the last stitch. So yarn over the hook. Now we're gonna go one row below, and we're gonna do a front post double crochet, yarn over the hook. Now you're gonna do a back post into the row below on the back of the work. Yeah, so you're gonna go around that one. So you're gonna do a back post, next front post, one row below, then you're gonna have the back post. It's quite easy, yeah, to do the back post. Next is front post, next is back post, next is front post, and so on. So we have the back post, and then we have the front post double crochet, and we are left with one stitch at the end. Yeah, so we're gonna do a single crochet. So let's say you finish your work, you want to close, and you're going to finish the row with a single crochet in each stitch. For a scarf, for a blanket, whatever you choose to do, you're going to finish the project with a single crochet in each stitch across the row. So you're going to start with the first single crochet, second stitch single crochet, the next stitch single crochet, and so on. This goes really fast, but working with a double crochet might take some yarn. If you choose to do a scarf with this stitch, I will recommend using at the minimum at least 260 grams of yarn. And if you want to attach tassels, make sure that you have at least 280. Depends how long you want the tassel, maybe 300 grams of yarn, yeah, just to be on the safe side. So this is the stitch. Goes really fast, and now I'm going to show you the sample. It goes really fast, this one, and the sides are okay for a scarf. Yeah. So if you, some of you want to do like a pot holder or place, I don't know, placemat, but if you like, you can do a placemat with a thinner yarn, and that way it's not gonna be so thick. This is quite thick. So for a hat, for a scarf, for a blanket, for a leg warmer, neck warmer, whatever that is, you know, you can use. So the stitch is reversible, front and back. So you can do something with this stitch. It's quite thick and warm. You can do like a pillow cover, you can do like a cushion, if you have a very thick yarn, but this will go really fast even though it has one row of single crochet. Well, I hope you enjoy this this stitch and you gonna give a try to do some projects with this one. Thank you for watching.